back. Today we shall be talking about flax seeds, its benefit, how to make a flaxseed gel, how to incorporate it into your daily diet, and also how to make some yummy pancakes with it. Now to make the flaxseed gel, roast the flax seeds and then grind them. Once the powder is formed, you just need to take roughly 2 tablespoons of the powder. Now you can easily store this powder in the fridge and can use it in smoothies, in your salads, in your flours. It is super healthy. I shall get into the benefits later on in the video. Now to this I'm gonna add water, and you need to keep on adding water every few minutes as it starts thickening up, and you need to rest this for roughly 15 minutes, and then later once you are ready to use, you can add a little bit of water and use it. Now this can be used for any recipes where you want to substitute it with egg. It's just that you need to add baking powder or baking soda because it doesn't have the leavening agent as egg has, but it does give the binding effect. Now let's look at the benefits of flaxseed. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, hence it helps to reduce cancer. It also helps in weight loss as it has a very high satiety value. It helps to improve your cholesterol levels. It is known to lower blood pressure and glucose levels because of its high fiber content that we find. Flax seeds are known to have good quality protein, thus making it a very high source of protein. In all, if we incorporate flax seeds on daily basis in our diet, it will definitely help in boosting our immunity and making our body stronger. Now let's look at the ways in which we can incorporate flax seeds. In smoothies, we can make it as a powder or just blend it with a smoothie. In salads, we can top it over as nut bar or crackers with other nuts, or we can also just have it roasted as a snack. One of the ways in which I like incorporating flax seeds is in the form of pancakes, especially when my kids are having it. So for this I'm using the flaxseed gel which we prepared before. Along with this I'll be using our normal atta, that is wheat flour, carrot, beetroot, roughly 1 cup each. To this I'll be adding baking powder, baking soda, 1 teaspoon each, and a little bit of honey as the sweetening agent. You can use any sweetener of your choice. You can use jaggery, you can use brown sugar, whichever you like. Now mix the entire mixture together. You can use water or milk if you want it a little creamier, and keep adding milk till it becomes of a nice runny consistency. Now heat a pan and add butter, and to the pan add a spoonful of the pancakes, and once they are golden brown from each side, just flip it over, and that's as simple as it looks. And yeah, for kids you can even add cocoa powder to it so it becomes all the more relishing. So yep, these are my flax seeds beetroot pancakes. They are super delicious and healthy. Do give it a try, and I hope you like the video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification if you want to be notified for my future videos as well.